In this tutorial, learn how to create black bars open close crop video transition effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. Open Premiere Pro. New project. Name this project as Close Crop Effect. OK. Import media file and media browser you want to give close crop effect for. Drag and drop media file to timeline. Select Effects tab. Type crop. Drag and drop crop effect to media file. Move the marker to the beginning of the media file from where you would like to start the crop effect. Select crop. Enable top by clicking here and type 50. Enable bottom by clicking here and type 50. Now move marker to the timestamp until when you would like to open crop effect to complete according to your creativity. Now click Reset Parameter button next to top. Click Reset Parameter button next to bottom. Let's test the applied closing crop effect. You can select and drag these crop effect ending pointers to any time stamp according to your wish to increase or decrease speed of the opening crop effect according to your creativity. Now let's check how we can apply closing crop effect to media. Move marker to the end of media. Effects. Type crop. Drag and drop crop effect to media. Move marker to the end of media. Click crop. Enable bottom. Type 50. Enable top. Type 50. Now move marker to the timestamp from when you would like to start closing crop effect. And click Reset Parameter button next to top. Hope this tutorial is helpful to you. Thanks for watching.